Hey there folks, welcome to Golden Rule Plumbing, where we provide plumbing peace of mind. I'm Cooper Killian, your friendly neighborhood plumbing expert. I'm here to discuss something super important, your home's water. Do you ever wonder what's really flowing through those pipes of yours? Well, today we're diving into the world of water testing. You see, water isn't just water, it's filled with minerals, and sometimes those minerals can cause some serious trouble. Let's talk about water hardness. Imagine those minerals in your water as little troublemakers, causing limescale buildup in your pipes and making your appliances throw a fit. Not exactly what you want, right? But fear not, my friends. Testing your home's water is the first step to plumbing paradise. By knowing what's in your water, you can take the steps needed to keep your plumbing happy and your family healthy. Sure, you could grab one of those DIY test kits off the shelf and give it a whirl, but let me ask you, do you want to leave something as important as your water quality to chance? That's where Golden Rule comes in. We're not just your average plumbing company. We're your partners of plumbing peace of mind. And get this, we'll test your water for free. That's right, folks. There's no strings attached. Call us and we'll swing by with our top-of-the-line testing equipment faster than you can say clean water. Now let's discuss what happens if your water test results are less than stellar. Don't worry, we've got your back. Whether it's installing a water softener to tackle that pesky hardness or recommending other solutions, we'll work with you every step of the way. So when it comes to your water, don't take chances. Trust the experts at Golden Rule Plumbing to keep your home safe, healthy, and running smoothly. Call us today and let's ensure your water is as pure and safe as possible. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're not just plumbers, we're your partners in plumbing peace of mind.